Have you ever put in hours of studying only to look at your grades and think, wait, where did all that effort go? Trust me, you're not alone. But here's the thing, just working hard isn't enough. It's about working smart. And that starts with tracking what you do, just like pro athletes track their training. Imagine this. A group of university students started tracking their study habits for just 2 weeks. They logged how long they studied, what subjects they tackled, and how focused they felt. The magic? When they could actually their habits, they started making smarter choices. It wasn't about doing more, it was about doing better. So how do you track your study habits like a pro? Let me break it down. Step 1, start measuring. Every time you sit down to study, jot down the subject, how long you went for, and rate your focus. Use an app like Forest, Toggle, or even your favorite notebook, because what gets measured gets improved. If you're spending hours on history, but math is slipping through the cracks, your data makes that crystal clear. Step 2, don't just track the time, track your learning. After each session, quiz yourself or rate your confidence from 1 to 10. Are you actually getting it or just going through the motions? Over a week or two, you'll spot patterns. Maybe your confidence in biology is soaring, but chemistry needs love. Step 3, visualize your progress. Pop your data into a Google Sheet or your Notes app. Create a simple chart. Study hours, scores, confidence ratings. Watching those numbers climb, that's fuel for your motivation engine. Step 4, now adjust. If you're pouring time into a subject and not improving, don't just push harder, try something new. Join a group, watch a tutorial, or ask for help. Let the data guide you, not your guesswork. The big takeaway? Tracking your study habits isn't about turning into a robot. It's about being intentional. You don't need to outwork everyone. You just need to outsmart your old self. If this hit home, share it with a friend who's serious about leveling up. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and drop a comment telling me your first step in tracking your progress. And hey, stick around. The next video will dive even deeper into smart study strategies you can use right now. Track your progress, celebrate your wins, and keep going. You've got this.